Often when shopping for clothes, price is the first thing on your mind, especially as a student on a budget. However, behind the shop floor is a bloated industry responsible for 35% of all pollution in our oceans. Fast fashion is a method used by many high street brands to design, produce and sell clothing at volumes far higher than any other point in history. Many of these products created will end up in landfill within a year of being produced, as the brands quickly change their designs they have available to influence their customers to buy the new stock. Some studies even claim that the textile industry is one of the top emitters of greenhouse gases, causing irreparable damage to our planet. It's clear that we need to cut down our consumption, and fast. Here are some of my student-friendly tips to creating a climate-conscious wardrobe on a budget. Next time you're looking for a new outfit, take a trip to your local charity shops and see what treasures you can find. Reusing and recycling clothes through second-hand shops is a fantastic way to reduce your impact on the environment, as well as do your bit for a good cause and support the wider community. Clothing swap parties can be a fun way to spice up your wardrobe by swapping out the stuff you no longer wear for something fresh without the price tag or negative impacts. It couldn't be simpler. You can organise these as small events with some friends or attend larger fundraising parties on campus or the local community. I recently attended a swap party to raise money for the slave abolition charity Hope for Justice. Not only did I meet new people and support a fantastic cause, but I also came away with some great new outfits that needed a loving home. If you could do with a little extra cash for your clothes, then join the clothes recycling revolution, with student-friendly apps such as Depop and Vinted, as well as social media marketplaces. You can sell the clothes you no longer wear and easily browse thousands of second-hand items that have plenty of life left in them. The single most effective thing we could do to reduce the impact of the fashion industry on the environment would be to buy a lot less. With every garment, it has an environmental footprint at every stage of its production. By limiting our consumption of fast fashion by buying second-hand, it will reduce our demand staggeringly. I hope this has been helpful on your journey to ditching fast fashion and becoming a more eco-friendly student. If you have any tips and tricks on how to reduce your impact on the environment, then leave them in the comments and I'll see you next time.